Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated smart wearables of the year. The Samsung Ring. The Samsung Ring isn't just another wearable. It's a new category for Samsung, and it marks a bold step into the future of health tracking. While smartwatches and fitness bands have been around for years, the idea of packing similar features into something as small as a ring is both exciting and challenging. Samsung has tried to balance comfort, function, and style, and in many ways, they've pulled it off. Design-wise, the Samsung Ring is sleek and elegant. It comes in black, silver, and gold. The build is premium, using durable materials like titanium or stainless steel. It's lightweight and sturdy, designed for all-day wear. The surface has a smooth, brushed finish that looks futuristic and refined. With no physical buttons, the design stays clean. It's also water and dust resistant, perfect for workouts and sleep. The ring comes in several sizes to ensure a proper fit. Since it has sensitive sensors, getting the right size is key. Samsung helps with sizing kits or guided options when ordering. Once fitted, it's easy to forget you're even wearing it. That's exactly what you want in a good wearable now. Let's talk about the functions. The Samsung Ring focuses on health and wellness. Inside the small frame are impressive sensors: a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen sensor, skin temperature sensor, and an accelerometer. Despite its size, the ring offers features comparable to full-size smartwatches. It tracks your heart rate all day and night, detects irregular patterns, and gives real-time alerts if something is off. The blood oxygen sensor is another highlight. It tracks oxygen levels during sleep and workouts. This helps monitor respiratory health and can catch early signs of issues. The skin temperature sensor is also useful, helping track illness or hormonal changes. Combined with other data, it gives a fuller picture of your health. Sleep tracking is where the ring really stands out. It tracks light, deep, and REM sleep stages. It also monitors heart rate variability, movement, and oxygen levels overnight. Each morning, you get a detailed sleep report with a sleep score based on quality and duration. Because the ring is small and light, it's perfect for sleep tracking. The ring is also solid for fitness tracking. It won't show live data like a smartwatch, but it passively gathers accurate info like steps, calories, and activity. The accelerometer detects when you're walking, running, or resting. All your stats sync with Samsung Health, where you can see everything clearly. There's also heart rate zone tracking, which helps you train better. It shows how hard your heart is working, helping you stay in the right zone for cardio workouts. Whether you're a beginner or more serious, these insights help without needing a bulky device. Another standout feature is the Readiness score. It analyzes your sleep, activity, heart rate, and stress levels to give you a daily score. It tells you if you're well rested or need to recover, helping you make smart choices about your day. Battery life is a huge plus. The Samsung Ring can last up to 7 days on one charge, depending on how you use it. That's much better than smartwatches. Charging is wireless and quick. You'll probably only need to charge it once a week, which makes it very convenient. Privacy is also a focus. Since there's no mic, GPS, or camera, it doesn't track your location or listen in. Your data stays private and is stored securely in Samsung Health. It's a good choice for people who care about privacy but still want smart health tracking. The ring works smoothly with other Samsung devices. If you have a Galaxy phone or smartwatch, it fits right in. Samsung Health is your hub for all the data. You can also connect to third-party health apps. There's no display, so notifications are limited, but you still get insights through your phone. Samsung plans to expand what the ring can do. Future updates might bring new features like AI health insights, digital payments, or smart home control. These aren't here yet, but they could arrive soon, adding more value. The biggest competitor right now is the Oura ring, known for its strong sleep and wellness tracking. While Oura has been around longer, Samsung offers better integration with Android phones, especially Galaxy models. The Samsung Ring is also more affordable and fits better into Samsung's broader ecosystem. Comfort and daily use are where the Samsung Ring really wins. You can wear it 24/7. It doesn't need daily charging. It provides meaningful insights without distraction. Whether you're exercising, sleeping, or just working, it works quietly in the background. The Ring also reflects Samsung's vision for future health tech. They're not just collecting data, they're helping users understand it. With things like sleep coaching, stress tracking, and daily readiness, the Samsung Ring is more than a gadget. It's a true health companion. Samsung launched the Ring during a major event. The price is competitive and lower than most premium smartwatches. It's covered by Samsung's warranty and may be bundled with other devices. This adds good value, especially for Samsung users. Keep in mind, the Ring isn't a full smartwatch replacement. It doesn't show messages or take calls. It's more of a silent health monitor. But if you dislike bulky wearables or want something discreet, this is perfect. For anyone serious about improving their health, the Samsung Ring is a great option. It gives you data that matters and makes it easy to understand. Better sleep, better fitness, and smarter habits can all start with a tiny ring. That's what makes this product so impressive. In short, the Samsung Ring is a strong leap forward. It's small, smart, and full of useful features. With good battery life, comfort, and great health insights, it's a device that makes sense. It may not replace your smartwatch, but it brings a level of focus and simplicity that many people will appreciate. Thinking of upgrading your health tracking? The Samsung Ring is definitely worth a look. It's not just a cool piece of tech, it's something that could actually improve your everyday life. Whether it's sleep, fitness, or general wellness, it's got you covered. That wraps up today's review. If you liked it and want more detailed breakdowns of the latest tech, hit that like button and subscribe. This is Tap Tech, where we keep you updated on the smartest gear out there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.